If you'd like to link Real Debrid with Stremio, here's what you need to do. So as you can see already, we have Stremio right here, so make sure you have the latest version. Then of course you want to open your web browser, then you want to get to this page. This is torrentio.strem.fun. So once you get over to this site, you want to make sure you're selecting the providers. In our case, we'll be selecting all. And then at the bottom, you want to click on install. You see this pop up, go ahead and click on open, then go over to Stremio and you will have this. So go ahead and click on install. And once you scroll down, you can see you have Torrentio added to your Stremio. You can see the uninstall. This means it's currently installed. Next, you need to head over to Real Debrid. You can see the site real-debrid.com. If you don't have an account, make sure to sign up in order to get in. Then subscribe to our plan, and you can see some plans right here. You can click on subscribe, then confirm, then choose any of the options you'd like to use in order to have your subscription running. So once you're done, you're going to go over to your Stremio app once again, click on add add-on, search for the Real Debrid add-on, and follow the on-screen instructions to do this successfully. Then go ahead and enjoy your streaming experience using Stremio.